Today we're going to draw a lion up close using lines. A lion using lines. So the first thing we'll do, lines make shapes, right? We learned that. So in the middle we'll make a rectangle, but leave the bottom off. And on the bottom make it a little curvy. It doesn't matter if yours is bigger or smaller, it's fine. Next, circles or curves for the ears and the inside of the ears. Okay, now we're going to make him kind of mean, so his eyes would look like this expression when someone's mad. These two lines go down above your eyes and then circle under them. Okay? If you really don't want to make him mad, then don't make those two lines. Next, right in the middle where the nose will be, you make a rectangle. A long one, pretty long. Doesn't have to be exact. And a point under it, which actually looks like a triangle, right? Now, if his mouth is open and he's roaring, you go to the bottom point and make a curve to the side. Bottom point, make a curve to the other side. And that's the top of his mouth. This is inside his mouth. So on the bottom, we just copy that other curve we did at the bottom. Now the teeth. Teeth start with one on each side. So if you put a line down the middle, that's how teeth are. There's not one in the middle, there's one on each side. And then you can make some smaller ones or however you want your lion's teeth to look. And some on the bottom. Now for the mane, we're going to make a cool mane. You can make it wiggly lines going all the way to the edge of the page, or you can make straight lines. One or the other usually would look best, okay? So let's just say I'm doing wiggly and they go from the head all the way to the bottom or the side or the top. Next will be to color. You see, we're outlining it dark. So if you when you use a pencil, go over it with a black crayon or a black marker. And now you can use yellow, orange, brown. I'm going to start with this kind of brown. I have this color that looks like a lion color. If you don't have this, you can use yellow and put a little brown over it, which is what I usually do because I don't always have that color. So if you don't have this tannish color, you can do it yellow. Okay, take your time. Good coloring skills, right? I'm just going a little fast. And then you find a brown and just go over it very lightly with brown, right? So if I have a brown, I would go over it very lightly. Because sometimes lions actually look more brown, sometimes they look more yellow or orangey. You can mix all three colors as long as you do it lightly, because if you don't do it lightly, they won't blend. And the bottom of the nose can look pink or black. Color in only the small circle in the eyes because there's a white part. And then color all your lines, in between all your lines until it's all finished. I can't wait to see your lion. Remember, we just start with a rectangle, but don't do the bottom, right? And then we do the eyes, eyebrows, eyes, circle, circle inside, rectangle nose, triangle, line across, line across, line across, one tooth, wiggly lines, wiggly lines, wiggly lines, and more teeth. Okay, let's see how we're doing.